multiple choice questions related to the topic pair of straight line. Let's see. The first example is here. PS is the median of the triangle with vertices R P 2 2 Q 6 minus 1 and R is here 7 3. Then the equation of the line passing through 1 minus 1 and parallel to the PS is. For finding the equation of line segment passing through point 1 minus 1 and parallel to PS is. First of all, we have to construct the figure of this question. We have to give the vertices of triangle. Consider the triangle is here P, Q, R. P is given 2, 2. Coordinate of point Q, R 6 minus 1 and R is here 7, 3. Okay. Now we have to draw the median PS. And we know that median midpoint of the side QR. So S is the midpoint of this line segment QR because PS is the median are given. Okay. Now we have to find the line. Suppose consider the line L. It is the required line. Okay. And we have to give this line L is a parallel to PS and passing through the point 1 minus 1. For finding the equation of line L, first of all we have to find the coordinate of point S. So S is equivalent to, we write here S is the midpoint of side QR. So we know that the midpoint formula, apply the midpoint formula, we get the coordinate of point S. Okay. So take a sum of 7 plus 6. Getting 6 plus 7 divided by 2. Sum of y coordinate of q and r coordinate are minus 1 plus 3 divided by. Simplify it, we get 6 plus 7 30 by 2. Here is the minus 1 plus 3, get plus 2 and 2 by 2 get 1. These are the coordinate of point S. Okay. Now first of all we have to find the slope of line PS because we have to give line PS is parallel to the line L. Required line is parallel to the line segment PS and we know that two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Means first of all we have to find the slope PS. Use the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, get the slope of line segment PS. So see here in this P and S, to find the slope PS, 13 by 2 minus 2. Y coordinate is here, y2 is here 1 minus y1 is 2 whole term divided by 13 by 2 minus 2. Simplify it, we get here 1 minus 2 minus 1. 13 minus LCM of this two term is here 2. 13 minus 4 get 9. So the slope of line segment PS is get minus 2 by 9. Okay. Now from given information the required line slope means slope of this line consider as m. M is equal to, we write here minus 2 by 9. Okay. Now we have to use. We know the value of slope of this line and one point of line passing through 1 minus 1. Using these two information, we have to find the equation of required line. We have to apply the slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Okay. So take y minus y1 is here minus 1 minus minus plus 1 is equal to slope of required line is minus 2 by 9 in bracket x minus x1 is here 1. Now simplify this equation, we get the equation of required line. Okay. Now 9 transform to this side, 9 in bracket, right here y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 in bracket x minus 1. So we can write here take a product of 9 into y plus 1, 9y plus 9 is equal to minus 2x minus minus x plus 2. Okay, now simplify this. All term transform to the right hand side. We can write here 2x plus 9y plus 9 minus 2x here plus 7 is equal to 0. It is the equation of required line. So see all the option. 2x plus 9y plus 7 is the correct option of this MCQ. Okay, so first of all, take a screenshot of this MCQ. Now let's move towards the next MCQ is here. The x coordinate of the in-center of the triangle that has midpoints, its sides as 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 is. So for finding the x coordinate of in-center, first of all we know the in-center. In-center means the point of intersection of angle bisector is called as an in-center. First of all, we have to consider the triangle. In this triangle, we have to use the midpoints of all sides of this triangle are, say it 0, 1. Then second is here 1, 1 and third one is 1, 0. Okay. So first of all, we have to plot the graph of all these 3 points. So in two-dimensional geometry, say this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here we take the point 0, O, origin, and coordinate of origin is always 0, 0. So first of all, we plot the point 1, 1. So take here 1, 1. Both coordinates are positive. So this point lie along first quadrant. Second point is here 0, 1. So 0, 1 plot here 0, 1 and third one is 1, 0. Take here 1, 0. Okay. So these 3 points are the midpoints of triangle for finding the x coordinate of in-center of triangle. This triangle is first of all draw. We know that draw the line segment. And this point is the midpoint of this line segment. So take a coordinate of this point. See here, take here is 2, 0 and here take point 0, 2. And using midpoint formula, apply midpoint formula, we get the midpoint. 2 plus 0 get 2, 2 by 2 we get 1. y coordinate sum is 2 plus 0 get 2 and 2 by 2 we get the 1. So 1 1 is the midpoint of this line segment. Similarly, midpoint of this line segment is 1 0 and midpoint of this line segment is get here we write 0, 1. So for finding in center and x coordinate of in center, we already known as the formula for in center. Only write the x coordinate is here ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. Okay, first of all we consider this triangle as a. This is the vertex b, this is the vertex c. This is the triangle ABC. So in center x coordinate is here ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c. And we know that a plus b plus c be the length of sides of this triangle. And we denote the length of opposite side of vertex A is here small a. Opposite side of vertex B is here take small b. And opposite side of vertex C we take here small c. First of all, by using the distance formula to find the length of all sides of this triangle ABC. So, use distance formula, we get the length A. Take here square root of 2 minus 0. Get 2 square plus 0 minus 2 get minus 2 square. Means 2 square get 4. Again 2 square get here 4. We get the root 8 and we know that the square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Okay, this is the length of side BC. So for finding length of side AB, again use the distance formula. Using distance formula, 2 minus 0 get 2. 2 square is 4 and we know that the 0 minus 0 gets 0. So in that case we get the square root of 4 and 4 square root is take here 2. Also in that case 0 minus 0 get 0. 0 minus 2 get minus 2 and take a minus 2 square is 4 and square root of 4 is here take 2. So use this formula. A consider as here x1 y1. B coordinate consider as x2 y2. C coordinate consider as here x3 y3. So put all these values in this result. We write here a is here 2 root 2. 2 root 2. x1 is here 0 plus b is 2. x2 take here x2 is 2 plus c is also 2. x3 write x3 is here 0 whole term divided by write a plus b plus c. A is here 2 root 2, B 2 and C is also 2. Now first of all simplify numerator and denominator. We write here this is to be 0, this is also 0. Take a 2 into 2, 4 divided by 4 plus 2 plus 2 get 4 plus 2 root 2. So take 4 as it is. Take a common factor of this term is 2. Right here 2 in bracket 2 plus root 2. Now simplify this. 2 2s are 4. Right here 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. Okay. But these values not included in your all options. So first of all rationalize this term. So multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of this term. And conjugate of 2 plus root 2 is right here 2 minus root 2 divided by also 2 minus root 2. Okay. Now numerator becomes 2 in bracket 2 minus root 2 whole term divided by. We know that a plus b, a minus b is the expansion of a square minus b square. So a square is here, 2 square get 4, root 2 square is take 2. So write here 2 in bracket 2 minus root 2, whole term divided by 4 minus 2 get 2. These two terms get cancelled. We get the x coordinate of in center is 2 minus root 2. Okay, and see the 2 minus root 2 is the correct answer of this MCQ. So first of all, take a screenshot of this MCQ. Now let's see, without plotting the graph, how to find the vertices of this triangle. Let's see, we have to give the midpoint of all sides of these triangles are given. So for finding these vertex coordinate, take a sum of these two x coordinate. Sum of 1 plus 1 is get 2 minus opposite midpoint of these vertex. Exactly opposite vertex is midpoint is here 0, 1. Subtract our x coordinates. So get 2 minus here, right? 1 plus 1 minus 0. Getting the x coordinate. And similarly, we have to use this method and find out the y coordinate. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 get here 1 minus 1. Means these coordinates are get 2, 0. Similarly, take a sum of these two vertex. 0 plus 1 get 1, 1 minus 1, take here 0. Sum of these two terms get 1. Subtract exact opposite point of y coordinate is here 1. 1 minus 1 also get 0. Similarly, take sum of these 2 points. 0 plus 1 get 1. 1 minus 1 right here 0. And sum of these two terms get here 1 plus 1 get 2. 2 minus 0 get here 2. So use this method, and similarly we have to use remaining procedure. First of all, we have to find the length of all sides and use the formula for in center. We get the x coordinate of in center of triangle, this triangle. Okay, now let's do the next MCQ is here. Suppose that the points HK 1, 2, minus 3, 4 lie on the line L1. These 3 points are lie on line L1, and the line L2 passing through the points HK and 4, 3, and is perpendicular to the line L1. Then to find K by H. So for finding K by H, first of all we have to construct the figure. So we have to give the 3 points lie on the line segment L1. See, this is the line segment L1, and this line pass through the point HK. Okay, first one. Second one is 1, 2, and third is minus 3, 4, and another line is L2. It passes through HK and 4, 3. Means another line is also passing through HK and passing through the point 4, 3. This is the line L2, and these two lines are perpendicular, are given. Okay, so for finding the value of K by H, first of all we know that these 3 points are collinear, and we know that the area of triangle, otherwise area of points they are collinear, is take here 0. Area of triangle ABC is 0. अपन एरिया ट्रायंगलचा 0 कधी येतो, ज्यावेळी ABC these 3 points are collinear. हे तिन्ही पॉइंट तुमचे काय असले पाहिजे, collinear. Same situation is here. These 3 points are collinear. It means that their area is take 0. So we know that the formula for area of triangle is half into, write down x coordinate of all point is h1 minus 3, y coordinate is k2 4, and third column we always take 1 1 1. Okay, now these 3 points collinear, take their area is 0. Okay, now first of all simplify this condition. We write here half transpose to this side, we get 0. Expansion of this determinant is get h, this term transform to this side, we get 0. H in bracket right here 2 minus 4 minus k in bracket right here 1 minus minus get plus 3. Okay, now plus 1 in bracket right here 4 minus minus take here plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now simplify this. We write here h in bracket minus 2 plus k in bracket, sorry, here take minus sign, minus k in bracket 4 plus 4 plus 6 get 10 is equal to 0. So we get the equation minus 2h minus 4k plus 10 is equal to 0. Multiply both side by minus sign, we get minus 2. Okay, divide both side by minus 2, we get this equation is h plus 2k minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation we get in terms of h and k. And we have to give, also give, take, it is the first equation. The line L1 is perpendicular to line L2. It means that their product of slope is take minus 1, means m1 into m2. We write here minus 1. m1 is the slope of line L1. So we know that this line is passing through 3 points. We only take 2 points. कुठले तरी आपल्याला इथे काय करायचे, 2 पॉइंट घ्यायचे आहेत आणि ते 2 पॉइंट घेऊन या लाइन L1 चा काय करायचा आहे, स्लोप काढायचा. सो here take these 2 points. Slope of line L1 is y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus 1 comma. Then into m2 is the slope of line L2. Take L2, y2 minus, y2 is here 3 minus k. 3 minus k divided by 4 minus h is equal to 0. Now simplify this, is equal to right here minus 1. Product subtraction is get here 2 divided by minus 4 into 3 minus k divided by 4 minus h is equal to right here minus 1. This minus sign get cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So right here 3 minus k whole term divided by 2 into 4 minus h. Get 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 2h is equal to 1. Then we get 3 minus k is equal to 8 minus 2h. All term transform to the right hand side. We write here 2h minus k plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 8 we get minus 5 is equal to 0. So we get two equations, and these two equations are linear equation, they are represented in terms of h and k. So first of all, we have to solve these two equations. We get the value of h and k. Use the trick for solving these two equations. So we write here the two equations are, first equation is h plus 2k minus 5 is equal to 0, and second equation is 2h minus k minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so use the shortcut method for solving these two linear equations. So first of all, height is the constant term. For finding hk, या दोन टर्म जर आपण या ठिकाणी डिलीट केल्या, सो एक्सपांड दिस डिटर्मिनंट 1 minus 1 to 2. Product of these two terms 1 into minus 1 get here minus 1. Expansion of this determinant right here, take a product is minus 1, 2 2s are 4, right here minus 4, means denominator of both term get here minus 5, also write here minus 5. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी तुम्ही कॉन्स्टंट हाईट करताय आणि हा जो काही डिटर्मिनंट आहे 2/2 चा 1 2 2 minus 1, हा जेव्हा एक्सपांड करताय त्यावेळी या डिटर्मिनंटची जी काही व्हॅल्यू आहे ती आपल्याला मिळते -5. -5 हा या बोथ जे काही h आणि k च्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत त्यांचा काय असणार आहे डिनॉमिनेटर. नाउ देन हाईट्स h च्या टर्म ज्यावेळेस आपण हाईट्स करतो त्यावेळी हा डिटर्मिनंट जर सॉल्व केला तर बघा व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटर्मिनंट इज 2 minus 5, right here minus 10. Product of these two term minus 1 minus 5, and always take here minus sign. Product of these two term get here 5. So right here minus 10 minus 5 minus 15, and also heights k terms we get here. Solve this determinant of order 2. 1 into minus 5, right here minus 5, and product of these two terms take minus minus plus 10, we get here 5. That means we write this term as here 5. Okay, now simplify this, we get right here 5 minus minus get cancel, 5 3s are 15, 3 comma 5 1s are 5, right here minus 1. But using ज्यावेळी तुम्ही ही ट्रिक यूज करताय त्यावेळी तुम्हाला फक्त जो काही y कोऑर्डिनेट आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे त्याचं काय करावं लागतं, साइन चेंज करावं लागतं. आफ्टर चेंजिंग साइन वी गेट दी h and k are 3 1. So for finding the ratio of k by h, value of k is here 1 and value of h is here 3. So k by h we get 1 by 3. So the A is the correct option of this MCQ. So the next MCQ, write down for homework the equation of line through 3 minus 4 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 is. This question write down for homework. I hope you understood all these MCQ.